Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I know that I've got a little bit of paint here that needs to go on the wall. Now what's going to happen is I'm getting a little paint on the ceiling. There's just no way around it. I'm going to have a overlap here, trying to paint up against this ceiling tile. And I could mask it off, but anytime I put tape on ceiling tile, I run a real strong risk of tearing the ceiling tile right off the ceiling when I take the tape off. Or at least taking off the top layer of ceiling tile, because it's not really structurally secure. So what I intend to do, after this paint dries, I'll put a masking tape strip over the top of the trim, and I'll paint this. And with that masking tape protecting the paint on the trim, I'll paint the ceiling. Ceiling needs to be gone over again anyways. It's been a good 6 years since I put the tile up and painted it. And it's showing a little bit of wear. There's nothing down here generating smoke, but there is some dust. Just general nature of being around humans. We generate dust just walking around. And having my workshop on the other side of the wall, even though I try very hard not to generate dust, it does. So, to cover up the ceiling tile and cover up the over paint that I put on here doing this, I'm going to tape off this trim, then I'm going to paint the ceiling tile again. This reminds me greatly of every job I've ever done. One task leads to another. Having the white paint on that wall, the green is a little dark in here, but the white paint on that wall really brightens up the room. Now, I'm not a decorator and have very little talent in that area of home decoration or building. My task has always been to make the thing stand up straight. But being able to paint something and make it look good, that's a good feeling. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know, I read them all. Thanks for watching.